How Canadian is that? Race car parts covered in snow. Oh, it's ridiculous. This is just getting crazy. Got too many parts going on. So, where are we? Tahoe. We went to the junkyard this morning. We did score us a couple, we got the visors and the center console lid. That's a win. That is a win. Very rare. However, they did not have the HD hood, in which we were really hoping for. So, strike on that one. Moving on. A lot has happened to that, as you can tell. She's been stripped. Got excited one night, ripped the whole front clip off, and then he, in about an hour, stripped that engine down, almost ready to come out. Of course, didn't get any footage because it was spontaneous. First off, the mechanical fan, which we probably have like 3 of in there somewhere. Oh, yeah, I don't even know what one that is. So, advice for somebody trying to get the mechanical fan off on an LS or a truck engine. She's a big old nut. I wouldn't recommend heat. You really don't need that. Keep the belt on. That might be enough for you to bust this nut loose. If it's not, I just get some vice grips. I clamp them on the top of the pulley here and wedge it over between the coolant neck and the tensioner. Once you max those vice grips out, throw a wrench on the big old nut, give her a crank, she'll come right off. Take the vice grips off, pull the belt off, and you're good to go. So, that's that little party in a can. Moving on. This is the 5.3 out of the Subaru. So, 500,000 miles, 500,000 kilometers, sorry, on this old girl. We could rebuild it. We're looking to boost, so we're just going to use this fantastic 5.3. Currently open to atmosphere as I'm looking this very second. Very concerning. Good thing that's coming apart. So for the first year, we're just going to do preventative and supporting mods. So we're going to do ARP hardware and new gaskets and such. We got some head gaskets kicking around. Possibly a cam, not confirmed just yet. We're going to try and get this old girl running. We're going to need a custom drive shaft, 3 or 4 inch. We are going to be running a 5.3 turbo with a 4L80 two-wheel drive right there. Yes, it is going to be rear-wheel drive only. Doesn't matter, not concerned. That's going to be great. This 4.8 is for the Jeep. This is our LS stockpile number 1. So, it's not going to be built. It's going to be stock bottom end. We might do some machining, who knows, we will see when we get there. For now, 5.3 4L80, and then we're going to run the 10 bolts for as long as that lasts. If it's anything like my 10 bolt that I had, we're going to snap an axle real quick. So we have 2 broken axles. We're going to add to that collection, I bet. So that's interesting. Keep that up. A lot's changed here. So as you can tell, he's been busy. Right on. Just go ahead and leave your snap-on tools out here. Attaboy, Kyle. She's drained. Accessory drive off. We have noticed a few shoddy repairs. Not even heat shrink or anything, like throw a lighter on those or something at least, but I mean, they got the good connectors but didn't use them. Shocker. Over here, some more jank repair with electrical tape. Checks out for 500,000 kilometers. So, front clips off, headlights, grill, all the good stuff. Accessory drive off, coolant drained, oil not yet. Look at that build up. That is going to be so satisfying to clean off. I can't get enough of that. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Beauty. Alright, now that I'm done having fun with that greasy, oily mess, apparently this is the original engine and transmission, 500,000 kilometers. Not sure if I believe that. Upon further inspection, however, it's starting to sound possible. So we got everything stripped off the front, drain the fluids, exhaust. Half of the studs are gonna snap, so looking forward to that. Once we get the exhaust off, we're gonna pull the transfer case, pull the engine and trans out of the front, make that go away forever. We may or may not use this to do a full rebuild on and build this for boost, a proper build on it. Whereas this old girl, she's just gonna be slammed together and, you know, a couple upgrades, but nothing too insane. Don't know if I ever showed the rear. Like, she's actually in pretty good shape. The bumpers are not bad. I'm going to say under that plastic, she's going to have some holes. Possibly the rear as well, but only time will tell. So just a quick overview and update, I guess. We got everything swapped, and the other car at this point is gone. So, lots of engine building stuff. Lots of turbos. Possibly some cam related things coming up. So didn't get to film anything that I wanted really on the front. Today was kind of a drag, but whatever. We came out and tinkered, and next thing you knew, she's stripped. So that was the enjoyable to watch content. Now all you're gonna get is probably a time lapse of an engine and trans coming out, because that's really all you can film. So that little trick for the water pump, trying to get that fan off, that might help some people. Other than that, enjoy. I dropped the ball, but from here on out, I'm going to try just a little harder to not film. Wait, to try and remember to film things. Anyway, it's the Tahoe. She's going to get lowered. She's going to be loud. She's going to be, well, louder. Still quietish. She's going to be fast, more importantly. So hopefully this summer we'll have that in my step side. We'll be cruising. Kind of want to race him this year. And if he's faster than me, darn, I guess a better turbo mine. So that's all I got for tonight, guys. It's dark. It's cold. It's been a long day. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any suggestions on mods or things to do to Civic, anything, Jeep, trucks, let me know. Hoping in the next month to maybe have the Civic running. That's pretty much the only update. And Tahoe, get that built. So that's it for tonight. Gotta go sleep.